Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now if you have an iPad Pro and would like to extend the flexibility of that fantastic screen and also the utility of the Apple Pencil, then you're going to want to check out this video. We have a brand new line of products from PITAKA. This is the company that we know that creates the super thin and super durable cases for the iPhone and also for the iPad. Now this is going to take your iPad and take it to the next level and give you the ability to use it almost as if it was a desktop with a lot of flexibility. So we're looking at a set of modular accessories that are going to give you the ability to really use your iPad like you never have before. Also, it's made out of some premium tech, right? They're still using that premium aramid technology that is a high-tech fiber that, get this, is 5 times stronger than steel and weighs almost nothing. So let's check out this product and see what's involved. Now at the core of this system is the MagEZ case, and this is a case that simply attaches to the back of your iPad. But the cool thing about this is that while it still keeps your iPad almost bare, it gives you the ability to still take advantage of all of the capabilities of the iPad. So if you want to use the iPad or the Apple case, the actual standard one, you have no problem. It doesn't block that. It doesn't block the charging. It doesn't block the usage. So this is at the core of the system, and it really extends it to all the different solutions that we're seeing here. Now with the Mag case installed on your iPad, basically it allows it to attach to this stand that not only allows you to view content in a portrait mode, but in a landscape mode, and it rotates really simple and easy, but it also gives you Qi charging capability. So if you have an iPhone, an Android phone, wireless earbuds that can support up to 10 watts of charging, then this is going to charge it as well. Now this product is available both for the iPad Pro 2020 and 2021. And this is, I would say, the core of the system, right? Because this is the actual case that you'll put on your iPad. And I have 2 iPads here. I have a 2021 and a 2020. Notice the contact points in the back, and notice how super thin this is, right? Incredibly thin. And all it really takes for you to put it on is just snapping it into place, just like this. You're going to see that go into place, right? And as soon as you snap it in, I'm going to put it here in an angle so you can see. It really doesn't add any thickness to your iPad. It does give you some protection, so you can see that there's some protection here and here. It does leave this exposed, right? So that's something that we see. It does have an area where you can put the Apple Pencil, and I'll show you how I have it in this other iPad. And then it has your buttons here. Now, very soft to the touch, almost looks like, you know, like a carbon fiber type look, as you can see here. Now, here's our desk or our stand here, and I just want to talk about a couple things, and then we'll see how everything connects. First of all, the stand, you'll notice it's flexible. It rotates, right? So it rotates in different areas, and it has locking. In the back here, you'll notice that you also then have on the bottom here your charging port. Basically, this is where you charge, so you run your cable. It also has cooling. And then right here, you also have your charging location, as you saw it. All you have to do is drop your iPad on this case, drop your phone, any type of phone that supports Qi charging in this area, and then it's going to start to charge, and you'll see it light up, and it'll tell you that as well, as you can see there. You do get an extra little mounting solution, so if you would like to just stick this to a bare iPad, or if you do have another case that you want to use, you may try this, right? It all really depends on the thickness of the case, if this is going to attach or not, because that attaches right there, just like that. So we'll take it off. Now let me show you how the system works, right? So I'm just going to take my iPad, put it right here, and then it locks into the place just like that. We're going to rotate it, right? Rotates really nicely. And it really, again, gives you a total different experience when it comes to your iPad. Now, as we move this over to the side, over here, we basically have the same case on, but this time with the Apple Pencil, and you see how that works. Now, the next accessory I want to share with you is this folio. So, again, this is going to work with all of your Apple accessories because of how the charging port goes straight through. And then this folio that we see here basically is going to just serve as a cover, right? Additional protection to this. And it's magnetic. So I'm going to take this, put it right here, I'm going to put it in place. And now I have some extra protection, right? So I have the spine is covered, that was a little exposed, and everything is in place here. If I were to, let's say, put this like this right here, now, you know, this is a stand, and I can use it in either in either position. Like I could use it like this if I want, right? Or I can use it like this to hold it this way if I'm doing some FaceTime, or I can do it like this. Now, I wouldn't recommend using this case with the actual stand because it's going to add some unnecessary thickness, and then it's going to compromise the ability to stick it just as easy as that. But lots of flexibility, super cool. And then again, it looks great, especially if you have another desktop or a desk that you'd like to have this at. It really changes the way you use your iPad. So guys, that wraps up our review of the PITAKA MagEZ stand, and then we also saw several accessories that go along with this. I'll see you in the next video.